By the way, the whole time my stepdad was recording, I couldn't go there.
Hey, handsome baby.
And we're gonna be doing the eggs, decorating them. Over here, we have a line of candy. This is like piles of toys. This is the grass we're gonna be using for our baskets. That's over there. And let's get to decorating. I'm gonna decorate an egg. I'm gonna start with this tiny egg. I'm going to write that with the
Magic crayon.
magic crayon. We have magic crayon.
And what the magic crayon does is she writes what she wants on it, and when she dips it in the ink, it appears.
Yes.
So you're gonna write your name?
Yes. C. So I think I'm gonna do orange. Well, wow, guys, it's actually working.
Good job, baby.
Nice. That's so cool.
Right.
I wonder how they do that.
I'm gonna do it this way. So since
She's gonna dunk it?
I'm gonna dunk
Here,
it.
use this so you don't
Wait,
stain your face.
I forgot to dunk
I forgot about these. Thank you, baby.
I gotta dunk it first, right?
I think it was the other way around.
Oh, look
Here you
at
go.
I'm gonna
Put your egg on there first.
it's. I think I'm gonna let it sit for a little while longer. You wanna dunk it? Where you wanna dunk it? What color you want?
green.
Go for it.
I'm gonna plop it in.
There you go. The longer it stays in there, the darker it
The
is.
darker it gets, yeah.
I'm gonna try something.
Okay.
Try
Yeah.
it.
See how it
See how
goes.
it goes.
I'm taking it out now. I don't want it too dark.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna put it on green.
All right. All right.
Coloring on me. I'm actually
I'm
gonna.
going to get Alakai's out.
I'm going to take this one. Going to run.
And I'm going to use this.
These.
Put a rubber band around it.
Awesome idea.
So drew two colors, one on the top and one on the bottom. So I'm gonna use this thing to just dunk it halfway.
Look, guys. I'm
What
getting
are you gonna do?
red to put it on here.
He wants to see.
Wow.
I'm gonna try this toothbrush technique. Let's see how that works. Good job.
Oh my goodness.
Good job. See what we got going on here.
Wow. I love mine.
I love that too. That came out really nice.
Mom,
Kiddo.
look at the ones I made.
Whoa!
They're like a
Your purple almost looks like a tie-dye one. I'm gonna keep trying on this one. Here we go. Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna take the yellow.
Just don't know what color are the other ones. What color is this?
Don't know.
That one's blue, this
That one
one's
is
blue.
blue, and this is green, and that's red.
Okay.
Yeah, this is purple.
Hey, babe. You wanna do an egg?
Yeah, get your egg. Let's
Get in here. Get in here. Do an egg.
Wait, we have no more stands, guys.
There's. I thought there was one more.
Well, this one, Alakai's is dry.
Just hit it up right on top. There you go. And you can use.
I'm actually, guys, taking the technique of taking the brush and taking some on the egg and then dipping it in with a darker color.
It's cool that you're letting it drip too. That's a pretty cool technique.
I know, I'm trying to make it. I need some
That's awesome.
producer. The Easter Bunny's gonna be happy.
These right here are other colors. These little sponges. This is for the blue. I'll put this right there. This is for the red. This is for the yellow. These are different. These have never been used yet. This is purple. and this is green.
I like yours, Valerie.
She's doing awesome.
You know what? I think this one's pretty much done and dry. Make sure it's dry.
Malachi.
The egg that is dry.
I give him the basket for now. That's awesome, Valerie. Good job. Okay, so you want to sit it. Actually, we can put it back in here. Because these are dry.
Valerie, who's that?
Grandpa's here, by the way.
Who's in the video now? It's
No,
Hi.
how y'all doing out there?
I love that. That is beautiful, girl. Yeah.
Talented.
Very talented. Yes, she is. It's a stand for you.
Okay.
So you can decorate your egg. And
What
this
is
is
this?
this cool thing. You can write
That's
on
a
it
stand.
before you dye it, and then it'll appear when you put it in the dye.
Like-
You want to write on.
Like, look, I got GP and GM. Grandpa and Grandma.
Definitely using it.
Look at my fingers. I should have
This is
gotten
what-
gloves.
This is the kit that Grandma got. So if you're wondering where we got it, or if you want the same thing, this is what Grandma got at the store.
And what's,
Thank you, baby.
and what's the thing you used to write with?
That crayon is right.
Crayon. The magical crayon.
Got some red in there, green, purple.
Yeah, looks great, baby.
Valerie's killing it.
Yeah,
Valerie is. She really is.
Let me call up the Easter Bunny and see if he needs
It's
help
all
this year.
magic.
Right?
So I can
Get
use,
in there, baby.
So
Get
I
in
can
there.
use this and dip it in the colors I like.
Yeah, you sure can.
Here goes Grandpa.
Okay.
His first dip.
Dip, baby, dip.
That's what I was thinking earlier too.
This is my crazy egg.
I'm just trying to catch up to you guys. Okay.
These are the finished products drying.
This one's grandma's and these
So
are
where's the blue
mine.
one? Where's the blue?
And Grandpa's doing better than me.
No, it's BPP. Yeah. Valerie's place.
Oh, cool.
Very nice. I like it.
Valerie's playroom.
I know, that's what I was saying, but somebody just interrupted. Yeah,
Boy chick.
yeah.
Got boy
That's
chick.
what I meant.
Yeah, but
you got
VPR.
Yeah.
Sticker?
Big.
Mine is dripping wet.
Yeah, this.
My bowling ball.
Oh, that's your bowling ball?
That's what it looks like.
And all that noise. Uh-oh.
And then.
It's overflow.
That's cool. That's cool. That's
Wait, but it's too much. Overflow.
too much overflow. But when you put the eggs in the candy, it's gonna go down.
Okay.
Okay.
Mine's the overflowing one because I want it to look at like it's flowing out. So that's what it is. I'll do my rubber. I'm gonna put the blue in the front and over here overflowing. Oh my goodness, this looks so good.
Very nice.
Here we're putting Reese's Buttercups. I'm definitely gonna put that right there. Another 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, you get one, and Alakai gets one of those M&Ms.
6.
And your favorite.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You try an orange.
Then we got your favorite, Reese's Pieces.
What?
I'm
Hershey's
You
Kisses.
Handful. I'm gonna get a handful. Handful.
Mama's gonna help?
Huh?
Nope.
Brothers.
Someone else's.
If you want,
Oh
you can
my
put
goodness.
if you want,
What happened?
He
Valerie.
stole a Reese's Piece. I'm trying to make people hug. Got bunnies. One to my brother. Oops, he fell.
Give you some more stuff. Now you have these eggs,
Things.
and then you have some peeps. You gotta have peeps.
If there's 5, I'll try to eat one right now.
Can I eat one?
So
You sure can too. Peeps, baby, peeps.
Oh,
Their mouth full.
this is so much fun. I love this video.
Aww.
I love all my life. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that we were going to do in this video. If you want to see the video of us hunting for these eggs, like and subscribe. Also leave a comment. Bye.
Awesome job, baby.
Peace
Love it.
out.